Bonjour les enfants. Looking in my school material, I just found an exercise that would be quite fun for you to do. It involves a bit of writing, but not too much. I don't want to make it dull. And there will be a bit of drawing too, which should be fun. All right? So if you look at the files that I have, I want you to take just the first file. The first file is this, and the assignment for this week is voici un extraterrestre. Here is an alien, and I want you to draw it according to the instructions. So there's a place here to draw it once you have printed the page, or you can do it on a big A4 page if you want to. But there's also a bit of French that goes with it. So we'll have to look at the words and do what I call the agreement. Now for year 3, it might be a bit hard, but have a look and do your best. There will be a sheet with the solution afterwards, so you can look at your work and see if you've done it right. I won't do the drawing though, because I'm sure that you're going to do something much more inventive than what I could do. So the drawing is yours, but I want you to check the answer sheet if you had the agreement at the right place. So what is the agreement? Is when in French a word is masculine or feminine, we need to add things to the adjectives, and if there's many of them, like in English, you need to put a S. So you have more cats. If you have 4 cats, you need to put the S at cats. French is the same, but we also need to put the S to the colors or the adjectives. So a bit tricky. First thing you need to do is look which one is the noun. Alors, il y a 5 petits yeux noirs. What is the noun? Obviously, it's the eyes. So, yeux, masculine or feminine? It is masculine. Masculine, we know the color for masculine, blue. We circle yeux. It is masculine, it's circled. Now, we have 5 of them. So, obviously, we need to add something. We need to add S. So, I've already put the lines when you need to add stuff. So that helps you. So, I need to add S to petit and noir. And I'm going to circle them as well to make me realize that I have done the agreement. So the agreement was that it was to add the S to these things. Now sometimes the word is feminine. Let's look at the second one. 4 grands oreilles bleues et roses. Alors oreille, oreille finished by E. Alors the words that finish by E usually, but not all the time, are feminine. We're going to circle oreille en rouge. We circle it en rouge. Now we have a thing with this oreille. We have 4 of them, so we need to put an S to it. The agreement will be ES. When it's feminine, it's ES. So I'm going to circle ES. This is what I want. So I need to add ES here. And add bleu and rose as well. ES, and as you notice, rose has already an E. I'm not going to add another one. One is enough. I'll just put the S. And when I've done my things, I do the agreement. That means I circle the endings. And that's it. So you have the agreement done when it's feminine. Now I'm not going to do the rest. I want you to do that on your own. When you finish it, I want you to do the drawing either here or a nice big A4 sheet, and you can check your answers afterwards, or mommy can help you check your answers, and that's it. So that's your assignment for this week. Enjoy. Au revoir les enfants.